You made it.
Camera. Say boulder. Say corn. Say vagina. Say put it back.
Rape.
Wiener. Reindeer butts like Bradley. Maybe this is disgusting. It tastes like broccoli. It tastes like... I opened up my mouth right now. Wait, give us a picture. No, it's like nothing, Troy. It tastes like woods and lettuce. You're a girl. It tastes like, what you call it? Spinach. It's not bad. It really isn't bad at all. Are you really gonna eat that again? It's not bad. Are you serious? Look at his face. Eat it. It doesn't taste like spinach. I wasted $1.50 on this. No, $1.49.
I have to eat the chicken wing.
Try that, Brian? Come on, Brian. I took 2 bites.
Eat the chicken wing.
Why did you buy that, Brian? Brian?
It sounded good yesterday when we went in there, and then...
What? Seaweed sounded good when you were in there yesterday? I just had 2 bites of it. And we have it on film, so you can see it if you want.
Eat the chicken wing.
Oh, come on, Brian.
I'm not gonna touch the chicken wing. Yes, you are.
You're gonna bite. Why the chicken wing? You know it's a chicken wing. Yeah, at least you know there's chicken inside. Hey, at least you know it's not like I'll eat the chicken wing. Do you have any money?
Yeah.
How much do you have?
Money.
How much? If all of you gave me 5...
Wait, I need to do something.
If all together...
Ew.
Get a close-up.
Ew. Troy?
No, I'll break you off a piece.
It smells horrible.
Tastes good.
It smells like an ass. It tastes like a plain chicken wing. I would have ate the chicken wing.
No, you get to the juice inside.
Are you serious?
It has like seaweed juice. This is fucking gross. This is disgusting.
It's a terrible world. It's a terrible world.